Comrades, please accept our revolutionary greetings and we welcome for this significant meeting. Our committed and disciplined leadership at Federation have fought and wrought so many benefits through bilateral agreements and functioning seamlessly for the well-being of our comrades in every step it takes.
कार्मिकों के हक के लिए लड़ने वाले नेता, आप सभी को शत शत लाल सलाम। आपके त्याग, आपका श्रम व्यर्थ न होगा। फेडरेशन की कसम। अरे लाल लाल है ये झंडा, अरे लाल सलाम है ये झंडा। लाल लाल है ये झंडा, अरे लाल सलाम है ये झंडा। हम सबकी ताकत ये झंडा, हम सबकी स्फूर्ति है ये झंडा। हम सबकी ताकत ये झंडा, हम सबकी स्फूर्ति है ये झंडा। हक के लिए है ये झंडा, फेडरेशन का है ये झंडा। हक के लिए है ये झंडा, फेडरेशन का है ये झंडा। वीरों का भूषण ये झंडा, हमारी एकता ये झंडा। वीरों का भूषण ये झंडा, हमारी एकता ये झंडा। पूनम की चांदनी ये झंडा, चंदा की ठंडक ये झंडा। पूनम की चांदनी ये झंडा, चंदा की ठंडक ये झंडा।
Leadership consistently reveals that coping with adversity can be crucial for leadership experience. Embracing life setbacks and learning from losses can serve as a passage to oversight and character. One such versatile leader is none other than man from Bhopal, Comrade Arun Bhagoliwal. President, All India State Bank of India Staff Federation and General Secretary, SBI Award Staff Employees Union, Bhopal Circle. Comrade Arun Bhagoliwal, born on 4th of July 1964 to Shri T.N. Bhagoliwal and Srimati Indra Devi. He has two elder sisters and one younger brother. He had his education in Bhopal and subsequently graduated from Bhopal University in BSA Mathematics. Comrade Arun Bhagoliwal got married to Srimati Archana on 2nd of December 1988. His wife, Srimati Archana Bhagoliwal, is serving as Gazetted Officer in Government of Madhya Pradesh. He has two daughters named Apurva and Ankita and are well settled. Comrade Arun Bhagoliwal joined our bank in 1984 at local head office Bhopal. At very young age, he became assistant local secretary of local head office unit and later as local secretary has attracted fellow comrades and became darling of masses.
Jaya ho, Jaya ho, Jaya ho, Jaya ho, Jaya ho, Jaya ho. All India SBI Staff Federation, Jaya ho.
In 1993, he led the movement for forming a separate Bhopal Circle Union from the then combined union of Mumbai Circle and formed a separate Bhopal Circle Union of which he is the founder General Secretary. Later in the unification process, he stepped down from General Secretary and became Deputy General Secretary Headquarters in 2002. During the period of 2006 to 2008, the divisive forces again created the turbulence in Circle Union and Comrade Arun Bhagoliwal stood like a rock and brought unity among the members. He proved his leadership once again and led the movement from forefront to bring back the past glory. Consequently, after Talabandi of Circle Union by the then Circle management, he had no other option to form a new union named SBI Award Staff Employees Union Bhopal Circle. With record-breaking 80% membership, he became president of Bhopal Circle Union in 2009 and later went on to become General Secretary in 2010. Under his leadership, the Union and Employees Cooperative Credit Society got prestigious ISO certification. Comrade Arun Bhagoliwal has been elected as the Senior Vice President of All India State Bank of India Staff Federation at General Council meeting held at Hyderabad in April 2016. On 27th March 2021, he got elected as President of the Federation. He created history as he is the first leader from Bhopal Circle Union who has been elected at the national level for these positions. Comrades, his fitness as a national player of basketball continuously from 1979 to 1984 and his energy levels stood him in good stead. In undergoing a lot of turmoils and sustained individually and along the side of fellow comrades is commendable, inspirational, and is a role model to the younger generations. Comrade Bhagoliwal was classic example of exemplary leader who communicated openly, transparently, quickly and frequently with his members in the challenging times and smooth-sailed all adversaries. One should learn from Comrade Bhagoliwal how to manage our emotions and reactions to them in difficult situations. This has helped him to become more resilient and better equipped to handle future challenges. Thank you for being such a great leader. Thank you for your leadership and for making us feel like self-sustained. You make us feel integral of our union success and make us proud to hold this esteemed federation flag forever. Your dedication and mentorship have made a lasting impact on all of us. Wishing you a retirement as extraordinary as the dedication you have shown throughout your career. Your leadership has been an inspiration to all of us. Wishing you a retirement filled with joy, laughter, and fulfillment.
लाल लाल है ये झंडा, लाल लाल सलाम है ये झंडा, लाल लाल है ये झंडा, अरे लाल सलाम है ये झंडा। हम सबकी ताकत ये झंडा, हम सबकी स्फूर्ति है ये झंडा, हम सबकी ताकत ये झंडा, हम सबकी स्फूर्ति है ये झंडा। हक के लिए है ये झंडा, फेडरेशन का है ये झंडा, हक के लिए है ये झंडा, फेडरेशन का है ये झंडा।
We are truly privileged to have amongst us a leader whose impact reaches far and wide, transcending all boundaries. More than merely a leader, he serves as a beacon of inspiration, tirelessly championing the cause of the members and lending a voice to those who are unheard. The presence of a leader whose unwavering dedication to the well-being of the masses is matched only by his inherent qualities of humility, empathy, and a resolute commitment to justice. He stands before us not just as a leader, but as a symbol of sacrifices. Here we make our references to our leader of masses, leader of leaders, Comrade Sanjeev Kumar Bandlesh. Comrade Sanjeev Kumar Bandlesh, a born leader, born to a leader. Comrade K.K. Bandlesh, former president of All India State Bank of India Staff Federation, and Srimati Raj Bandlesh on 10th of July 1964 at Dasuya in Punjab. Comrade Sanjeev Kumar Bandlish is eldest son of 3 children to his parents. We are delighted to note that the grandfather of Comrade Sanjeev Kumar Bandlish and the father of Comrade K.K. Bandlish, Sri O.P. Agarwal, served in Imperial Bank of India since pre-independence days, later in State Bank of India, and retired in 1973. Comrade Sanjeev Kumar Bandlish's family is having a special distinction of serving the State Bank of India for 3 generations. Comrade K.K. Bandlish served as General Secretary of SBI Staff Association Chandigarh Circle and President of All India State Bank of India Staff Federation and retired in 2000. Father and son served as General Secretaries of Chandigarh Circle and Presidents of All India State Bank of India Staff Federation, which is also an extraordinary fate for any leader. 2 younger brothers of Comrade S.K. Bandlish, namely Rajiv Bandlish, who had worked in SBI and now in Canada, and Pankaj Bandlish is working as Senior Assistant in SBI, Chandigarh. Comrade S.K. Bandlish had his primary education at New Delhi from 1st standard to 4th standard, as his father, Comrade K.K. Bandlish, had served in SBI New Delhi. Subsequent upon the transfer of Comrade K.K. Bandlish to Chandigarh, eventually Comrade S.K. Bandlish continued his studies in Chandigarh. In 1984, he joined in graduation BSc Chemistry in Punjab University. In the same year, he joined Our Bank at local head office Chandigarh. Comrade S.K. Bandlish tied knot with Miss Manju Bandlish, who is a homemaker. The couple have 2 sons, Mr. Avi Bandlish and Mr. Arsh Bandlish. Mr. Avi Bandlish is in Canada, working as software professional and married. Mr. Arsh Bandlish is working for software company in Noida. Comrade Sanjeev Kumar Bandlish, as a leader, served the members in various positions. He got elected as Zonal Secretary in 1994. He became Deputy General Secretary of Combined Network in 1996. Served as Deputy General Secretary Headquarters in 2000. Later, he worked as Deputy General Secretary Mid-Corporate Group in 2003 and once again became Deputy General Secretary Headquarters in 2008. His eminent qualities made him got elected as General Secretary of SBI Staff Association Chandigarh Circle in 2009 at Chandigarh. He was elected as President for our Federation in May 2011 after the retirement of Comrade Bhupen Kalita. Comrade Sanjeev Kumar Bandlish became General Secretary for our mighty Federation and National Confederation of Bank Employees with effect from 1st of May 2016 in the triennial General Council held at Hyderabad on 23rd and 24th of April 2016 after the superannuation of Comrade M.V. Murali. He got elected as convener of United Forum of Bank Unions in May 2016 at Hyderabad. He was elected as Chief Secretary of SBI Staff Association of 8 Circles in 2021 at Ranchi.
Jaya ho, Jaya ho, Jaya ho, Jaya ho, Jaya ho, Jaya ho, All India SBI Staff Federation, Jaya ho.
Comrade Sanjeev Kumar Bandlish is serving as Senator of Punjab University, where he studied. After Comrade Sanjeev Kumar Bandlish took over the reins of Federation, the contemptuous demonetization came in as a huge shock to the bankers, where a sudden decision had created a panic and lot of stress and strain in the employees due to increased work pressure and justified pressure from the public. Spearheading the movement to counter this, Comrade Bandlish, with his assertive approach, smooth-sailed the entire episode of demonetization successfully. Yet another challenge was the mergers of associate banks and Bharatiya Mahila Bank in State Bank of India in 2017. Merger of human resources was big challenge to the management on that day.
Is that the service conditions in State Bank of India is not good or is not better than the associate banks? Then what is the reason why we want to oppose this merger? Comrades, merger is only opposed because of their political purposes, not for the welfare of the country.
But Comrade Bandlish has brought thousands of employees of erstwhile Associate Bank employees in the fold of our federation. With coercive bargaining power of Comrade Bandlish, our federation has secured several benefits and facilities. Here are the prominent ones. Legitimate overtime amount to the employees of bank during demonetization period for the actual hours of work performed. Removal of penury norms for calculation of ex gratia, for expeditious release of ex gratia in all eligible cases. Introduction of bereavement leave, extra special casual leave to employees with disabilities. Promotion of sub-staff to clerical cadre as record keeper Gram Grahak Mitra. Comrade Sanjeev Kumar Bandlish, with continuous persuasion, reached an agreement with the State Bank of India management to achieve compassionate appointment since February 2021.
कौन है ये फेडरेशन के सरताज है ये हमारे युद्ध के नायक ये
Under the able leadership of Comrade S.K. Bandlish as convener of United Forum of Bank Unions,
बार बार हम यही कहा करते थे कि हमें नए साथियों की जरूरत है, नए खून की जरूरत है, नए जोश की जरूरत है। तो आज हमारे पास वो जोश भी है और आज हमारे पास लीडरशिप का वो होश भी है कि जिसका मिक्सचर इस भारत सरकार और आईटीबी में बहुत भारी।
we achieved historic 11th bipartite settlement with several benefits and improvements in service conditions. After sensing the pulse of negotiation process, after taking all the constituents of United Forum of Bank Unions in confidence, Comrade S.K. Bandlish brought in the IBA onto its knees and made to increase the initial offer of 2% to 15%.
सेटलमेंट से जीवन में सुख और खुशियां भरने वाले
During this COVID-inflicted pandemic state of entire world, Comrade S.K. Bandlish, upon the request of the then chairman of Indian Banks Association, who was also the chairman of State Bank of India, has personally attended the meeting at Mumbai, where the fangs of the corona was at its peak. On 22nd July 2020, Mumbai city is in total lockdown and unfortunately 248 people lost their lives in Mumbai on that particular day. Despite the prevailing conditions, he ventured out to reach Mumbai on 22nd July 2020 to sign Memorandum of Understanding of 11th bipartite settlement along with improvement in family pension, that is 30% of pay without ceiling, which is very long pending issue. Getting the due share of his working community will be a hall of fame for the past and future generations.
वीरों का भूषण ये झंडा हमारी एकता ये झंडा वीरों का भूषण ये झंडा हमारी एकता ये झंडा
He conducted centenary celebrations of SBI Staff Association of 8 circles in the year 2020. He was instrumental in conducting the conclusive Platinum Jubilee celebrations of All India State Bank of India Staff Federation at Kolkata in a very befitting and exemplary manner.
All India State Bank of India Staff Federation Jindabad, State Bank of India Jindabad, NCB Jindabad, our unity Jindabad.
Another achievement of his sustained efforts in protecting the interests of banking workforce against the central government decision of privatization of public sector banks. The ardent decision of making representation to Government of India by submitting representation to all Member of Parliaments and Member of Legislative Assemblies of all states throughout the country has made the then Finance Minister to backtrack the decision of the privatization.
All India SBI Staff Federation Jaya Ho. All India SBI Staff Federation Jaya Ho.
12th Bipartite Settlement. Comrades, one more interesting and amusing factor is the conclusion and signing of our 12th Bipartite Agreement very quietly and silently. Similarly, it has been our observation for the past few decades that no wage agreement was concluded without agitations, slogans, at least a day's strike. However, it is really very interesting and tickling that 12th Bipartite Agreement was concluded without any hitch, in spite of insurmountable difficulties including the general elections of 2024 looming large. Besides, as the convener of UFBU, he could convince all the affiliates of the UFBU with utmost tact, in spite of difference they have, and led them to the negotiating table very efficiently. Another milestone for pensioners is the increase of pension, 50% of last drawn pay without ceiling, ex gratia to pensioners, removal of tapering of DA, and ex gratia to clerical and subordinate staff at the rate of Rs 800 and Rs 450 respectively, up to all 7 bipartite retirees. The credit for this phenomenal, unprecedented success should invariably and unfailingly should go to acumen, cool and calm attitude, persuasive negotiating skills of Comrade Bandalesh. Kudos to Comrade Bandalesh. Being visionary leader and his foresightedness to pass on the baton of legacy to the future of youth in trade union activities, he is instrumental in successfully conducting of youth conferences and women conferences across all the circles, and he travelled length and breadth of the country participating in all such meetings and encouraging the youth and built confidence among the members. These meetings served as powerful testament in aligning the aspirations and hopes of younger generation to take on the Union flag. Believing spirit of sportsmanship and its importance in shaping the organization and individual's personality development, he persuaded the management and succeeded in conducting inter-circle tournaments in sports and games on regular intervals. His continuous persistent efforts in enhancing welfare of our members. The new holiday home centers have been established and renovations have been done in most of the centers, matching the comforts of our comrades. Comrade Sanjeev Kumar Bandalesh, the impact you leave behind resonates eternally within our hearts. The memories, like guiding stars, illuminate our paths, inspiring us to carry forth your legacy with honor and dedication. For such an able, memorable, loving and tall leader of the Federation, what can we give back to him for all selfless and self-sacrificing services rendered to us, accepting the promise that we steadfastly follow and emulate his laudable and valuable footprints that he is going to leave for the next generations. We shall strive and strain our every nerve to make the Union and the Federation flag fly high. Comrades, with a very heavy heart, I bring to your notice that such great leader, Comrade Bandalesh, will be retiring from the bank services on 31st July 2024 on his superannuation.
Comrade Bandalesh, salute! Comrade Bandalesh, red salute! Comrade Bandalesh!
Wishing Comrade Sanjeev Kumar Bandalesh a very happy and peaceful retirement.
Jaya ho, Jaya ho, Jaya ho, Jaya ho, Jaya ho, Jaya ho. All India SBI Staff Federation Jaya ho. All India SBI Staff Federation.